Living in a busy area often comes with constant background noise, traffic, nearby businesses, construction, and everyday street activity. Over time, this noise can disrupt sleep, concentration, and overall comfort at home. Many homeowners focus on windows for sound control, but doors play an equally important role. For homeowners in Baltimore, professional door installation is a highly effective way to reduce noise and create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Wide doors are a major source of noise. Older or poorly installed doors often have gaps around the frame, thin panels, or worn seals. These weak points allow sound to travel easily into the home. Even small openings can significantly increase the amount of noise that enters living spaces. In Baltimore homes located near busy streets or active neighborhoods, outdated doors can make indoor noise levels much higher than necessary. How modern doors block sound? Modern replacement doors are designed with noise reduction in mind. Many feature solid or insulated cores that absorb sound rather than allowing it to pass through. Thicker materials create a stronger barrier between the indoors and outdoors. For Baltimore homeowners, upgrading to modern doors helps reduce traffic noise, street sounds, and other disturbances that affect daily comfort. The importance of proper installation. Even the best sound-reducing door will not perform well if it's installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures the door fits tightly within the frame, eliminating gaps where sound can enter. In Baltimore homes, precise installation makes a noticeable difference by sealing off noise pathways and maximizing the door's sound blocking potential. High-quality sealing and weather stripping. One of the most effective noise reduction features of professional door installation is proper sealing. High-quality weather stripping fills small gaps around the door frame, preventing both air and sound from entering. For Baltimore residents, tight seals not only reduce noise but also improve energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Reducing vibrations and sound transfer. Noise doesn't just travel through openings, it also travels through vibrations. Professionally installed doors are secured firmly within reinforced frames, reducing vibrations caused by passing vehicles or nearby activity. This added stability helps Baltimore homeowners enjoy quieter interiors, especially in homes exposed to frequent street noise. Improved comfort beyond noise reduction. Noise reduction often goes hand in hand with better temperature control. Properly installed doors help prevent drafts and heat loss, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. In Baltimore homes, this means improved comfort year-round, along with reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. Ideal door locations for noise control. Exterior doors are the primary entry points for sound. Front doors, patio doors, and doors facing busy streets benefit the most from professional installation. Baltimore homeowners often notice the biggest improvement in bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices after upgrading key doors. Long-term value and daily peace. Noise-reducing door installation is an investment that pays off every day. A quieter home supports better sleep, improved focus, and a more relaxing living environment. For Baltimore homeowners, reduced noise also adds long-term value by improving overall home comfort and appeal. A quieter home for Baltimore. Living in busy surroundings don't have to mean constant indoor noise. Professional door installation helps block unwanted sound by combining solid door construction, precise fitting, and effective sealing. For homeowners in Baltimore, upgrading doors is a smart and practical way to reduce noise and enjoy a more peaceful, comfortable home, no matter what's happening outside.